cut this out, you see this is where our dowel will go. This is so our string will go up and over top and down through the neck. We get ready for that. And we mark this our A side. We'll cut this piece out and this piece in here. So we're going to use this for our pattern for our B side. So you want to line this all up. Set that back in there. And then we'll mark this out. Mark it here where we want to cut it off, and here we want to cut that off. And the reason why you want to make your A and B side, so when you put this on, you've got it put in the right spot. So we'll cut this out, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.